Hello guys and welcome back to the another video of Zero to Hero Tech. So as discussed in last video, today we will be seeing like how we can get the Eclipse IDE, and then we will write our first Java program in our IDE as well. Okay. So I have prepared the slide for you guys. This is how you can download the Eclipse. You just need to go to this particular website. I will paste this link in the description box as well, so you can directly use it from there. You just need to go to this particular website. Okay, here you will get an option to download this Eclipse 86 by 64. Just click on this. It will take few seconds, it's loading. So after clicking on this button, no, you will be navigated to a page where you will see this kind of icon to download. Okay, you have to just click on this download button. Yeah, so we are at that page. You just need to click on this download button and an installer will get downloaded. Okay, so an installer will get downloaded into your machine. You just need to double click on that installer and this kind of screen, you will get this kind of screen. So here means it will take few minutes to download, like it is near about 112 MB file. So it will take few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once that is done, you can just double click on it and it will give you a screen like this. So here you have various options to select the Eclipse based on your requirement. So if you just need to do some development work, pure Java, then you can use this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Or if you want to also play with the JSP servlet, which is basically used for creating the website, so you can go with this Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Okay, so I have chosen this because it will be helpful for both the options. Okay, so you have to just click on this two boxes over here, check boxes over here. Actually it will be automatically checked, and this Java JRE path will be already selected. You just need to click on this install button. Once you click on this install button, you will get a pop-up in which you have to just click on accept now, and the installation will start. Once the installation is completed, an icon will be Eclipse icon will be generated on your desktop. So you can close the setup then, and you can just double click on that Eclipse icon which is on your desktop, and your Eclipse will be open. So once you double click on your Eclipse icon which is on your desktop, it will give you a window like this. So I'll just show you here. So it will give you a window like this. Okay, so this is the directory to your workspace. Workspace is a kind of a folder in which all of your work will get stored. Whatever code you have written, it will get stored in this particular folder. So let's change this thing. I'll go here and I'll create a new folder, name it as Java Basics. Okay, and I'll select this folder. Once you have selected this folder, just click on this launch button. It will take few seconds or few minutes. Yeah, as you can see, it is getting loaded. Yeah, so it gets open. You can just maximize it. This is a welcome window. You can close this one. Now we'll see how you can create your first Java project. Click on this file, go to this new, and from here you can see the Java project over here, right? If you don't get it here, you can just go to the other option, and from here you can just go to this Java, or you can write the Java project as well. Java project, yeah, so here it is inside Java only. This is your Java project. Just click on this next. Okay, so this is the window in which you have to give a name to your project. So this will be our tutorial. Okay, and just click on this next button. It will create an src folder. It is telling you that it will automatically gonna set up this kind of structure in your project. So yeah, we want that. Just click on this finish. Okay, module name, create. So for now it has just created a module for us as well. We don't need it. We will just delete it. You can right click on it and you can delete it. Okay, so this is our Java project. Okay, this is our src folder. Inside this Java project, the Java project name is tutorial. Now here we will create the class. So if you right click on it, go to new, and here we have an option class. Give a name to your class. So we will give basic one dot. Okay, we don't need to give specify any extension over here. It will automatically do that for us. So the name of our class is basic one. Okay, if we tick mark this public static void main string args, then it will automatically create this particular method for us as well. Okay, just click on this finish button. So as you can see, our class is our class gets created here, basic one, our class name. Okay, and this is the method name which we have ticked mark. So this method also get auto created. So we'll write our code inside this particular method now. If you write sys, right, means previously we have seen the code in which we used to write public static void main string args, and inside that system.out.println, right? So if you want, you can write sys system.out. So if you can see, it is giving me the auto suggestions. Okay, so I can just select them and click on enter, and it will take it dot. Now it is giving me different kind of options. We have different suggestions here. So I have to print. I'll click on print. So I'll print this out, and I'll print a value hello world. Okay, and the semicolon is already there. What if you want to comment this line? You can just do double slash over here. By this all means this got commented and this will not get executed. The another way is to select this thing. Now then after that, shift control and backslash. So this is also a kind of comment in Java. By this you can just comment this statement. If you want to uncomment this part, then same shift control forward slash. So it will uncomment that particular statement. Now if you don't want to write it by yourself, then you can just write sys and press control space. Okay, so it will give you various options. You can select this one, sys out. You can just click it. Okay, it will automatically write this statement for you, hello world. Okay, so if you notice here, we have this print and here we have print ln. So what's the difference here? Okay, so let me write one more statement, sys out system.out hello Levin. Okay, now I'll just right click on it, and I'll just run the Java application. So this is the console part. Okay, so here if you can see, hello world is printed in first line and hello Levin is printed on second line. So this ln means go to the next line. Okay, now if I uncomment this part, and here I write hello students, and now if I run this program, so you can see this is not in the next line. So it prints hello student, and in the same line it prints hello world. So if you write print only, then it won't change the line, it will print in the same line. If you want to change the line, then you have to add this print ln over here. Okay, so this was the basic setup of your Eclipse. This is how you can create your project, and this is how you can create your class. In this, we have discussed on print statement and println statement. Okay, so this public is the access specifier. Just a second, let me open this PPT. Yeah, so class. So basically, public keyword is an access modifier or specifier that represent visibility. Means everyone who is looking into this code or the execution point of view. So this particular code is public, means this particular code is visible to everyone. Okay, its scope is public, means anyone can access this code. Class keyword is used to declare the class in Java. So this is the class, and this class is a blueprint. Okay, so blueprint of what? So there are different operations, like if we have a class name as dog. Okay, and then the dog has various features, like it has a color, and it performs certain kind of behavior, like it barks. Okay, so that things are the object, and class provides the blueprint of those objects. Okay, so class is basically a blueprint in which we can have various methods and variables. Okay, so this is done. And static is a keyword basically. And in our program, this program, we have declared this method as static. So if we make this method as static, so we don't need to create the object for this class. Okay, and this is the first method. Okay, so what happens is, like JVM, we have seen right, JVM, it is used to convert the byte code into machine understandable code, and after that it execute the program. So that particular JVM needs to understand, like, from where I need to enter in the program. So if I want to create the object for this particular method over here, then that will take another piece of memory. So to make JVM comfortable, we are making this as static, so that we don't need to create the object for this particular class. Okay, so JVM can directly go inside this particular method, which is main method. This method is known as main method. Okay, void is the return type. Like this particular method is returning nothing, it is just printing the statement. Okay, so this is the return type of a method. We will cover all these topics in a very detailed manner going forward, but just now, like, I don't want to confuse you guys, so that's why I'm telling you the very high level things. So we have covered public, we have covered class, we have covered static, we have covered void. Now main is the entry point, like this is the name of the method, which is the entry point. So JVM will enter from here. Okay, and these are the string parameters. Okay, so from here JVM will enter into this particular program. So this is it, guys. And in it can be an interview question, like why the main method, like this is the main method, why it is static in nature. So that JVM can means it provides a visibility to JVM, like this is the particular main method which is static, and we don't need to create an object for this particular class, so that JVM can directly access this piece of code inside this particular method. Okay, so this is one interview question over here. And second interview question can be with respect to this particular signature. So this is main method signature, and in how many ways we can write this particular signature. So if I change it like this, static public void main, so will it be fine? So yes, it will be fine, the program will still get executed. Okay, so as you can see, the program is getting executed and it is printing all the outputs over here. So these kind of interview questions will be there is a set of signature which can be used with respect to the main method. So these are the eight signatures which are valid one. So we can have public static void main string args. Okay, so if you can see, the brackets are with string, here the brackets are with args, here the brackets are after args. So these all things are valid. Okay, even if you don't want to add this bracket, you can just specify the three dots over here. So this is as valid as well. if you change the position of this static keyword, so this is also a valid thing. If you add a final, then also it is a valid thing. So these all are the valid formats when it comes to the main method signature. Okay, and these are the invalid ones. Means if you don't write this static keyword over here, then it will be a difficult thing, because then JVM won't understand like from where it has to enter. Also, in the second thing, they have removed the public, so it should be public so that it is visible to everyone. So, and if it is visible to everyone, then it is visible to JVM as well, so that it can just enter into this particular piece of code. And here they have written public void static main. So this is not a valid, because return type should be at the end, like the before the name of the method. Okay, so these are the thing, and this is the abstract keyword. This is a other concept. So we cannot make the main method as abstract over here. So these are the things. This can be the interview questions. Okay, I hope you understand this concept, like how to download Eclipse and perform your first Java program. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.